Welcome back to Borderless Chefs. My name is Colleen, and today I'm sharing with you another different type of recipe from a different part of the world. So we've moved on to Burma. So we're going to show you a vegetarian Burmese coconut milk based dish called Khow Suey. If I'm not pronouncing it correctly, apologies for those who actually know how to do it, actually authentically. It is a very easy recipe. We've tried it a few times and we really enjoyed it in our household, so we thought we wanted to share it with you guys as well. Do check it out, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, and hopefully you've subscribed us until now, but if this is your first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thank you.
To get started, we need some carrots, corn, peas, and green beans, some cauliflower and broccoli. We've got some yellow zucchini, super vibrant, chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, and we also do have some chopped up lemongrass, and of course coconut milk, which is the main ingredient here. So now we're just going to take a pan and we're going to put some oil at the bottom, and I've really taken the ginger, garlic, lemongrass, and onions, and I just put it through a quick grinder and I really just finely ground them. You could obviously just use them chopped. I've added some turmeric, and now I'm going to add some black pepper, which I've, as you can see, crushed live, and some red Thai chilies, and then finally I'm going to add in my zucchini. I'm going to start to saute all of this, and then I'm going to add in first the cauliflower and the broccoli, and the rest of the veggies. So you'll see here, as I continue to saute them, it really depends if you're using frozen or fresh, as it will depend on how long you need to cook them. So I've added some salt, and then I'm going to add in some water, and then I'm going to really let this simmer and make sure my vegetables are cooked. And then once that happens, which is about 10 minutes for me, it might take longer for you because mine were frozen. And now I've added the coconut milk. One thing that's key is I've turned off the stove to make sure that there's no direct new heat as I add the coconut milk, and also wanted to continuously stir it. We're just going to add salt now to balance the flavors out, and there you have it. So I've starting to plate it using some noodles at the bottom here. If you don't want to have noodles, you can totally do this with some rice, jasmine rice or basmati rice, and I'm just going to really top it up with that beautiful curry. One thing I would say is, there are some toppings that go on it that really do elevate the flavors. So the first thing we've got here is fried garlic and fried onions, along with some crushed peanuts. And I'm just going to add some lemon juice or lime juice, depending on what you have. And of course, some nice Thai basil. And there you have it. There's your beautiful Khow Suey.